Alright, so to set up your primary ID, what you're going to need to do is first off, go to proctor.austininstitute.com. Right here. You should have received an email when you signed up for your courses, getting you the link to that site as well. Once you're here, go ahead and enter in your email address. Mine is here, so I'll go ahead and type that in. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click Reset Primary ID. What you do there should have this little box that shows up that says an email has been sent with a link for your updated ID. So what you need to do is then go into your email address or your email account, and right here, I can see it right here. So it's going to show up from a no reply at proctor.austininstitute.com. It's going to be a pretty short one. It just says follow the link here to reset your primary ID. So just go ahead and follow that. And when you're setting up your ID, what you want to make sure is you want to make sure that you have a clear and consistent picture for you. So since I'm usually looking at a computer like this, try to stare at it light or straight on. Make sure that I have good light coming in, and just go ahead. Right, once I have that set, go ahead and click Update ID, and it says ID updated. And that will bring you into your dashboard right away. So you can see right here, I'm on my course dashboard and ready to go ahead and start up with my courses.